Sayo, Sinin.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, what time yung klase inday? 12 p.m. na. So, Dong Junim gives you a reward for your study hard. Okay, you improve your grades, no? How much your average on last semester? 88 niya now. Karon pila unsa na? 90 plus. Oh. So that's why Dong Junim praise you for your hard study. Okay, so you have 2,000 pesos for your improving your grades, and you also have 2,000 pesos for savings. Okay, and this is mine for delivery fee, 500 pesos. Okay.
Dong Junim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, Dong Junim, kamsahamnida. Bye bye.
Bye.